This is an electronic lighter made of a coil and a transistor. It can generate high plasma arc. Paper can be easily ignited, or a candle. His production is also very simple. Find a scrapped LCD power panel. Remove the high voltage transformer from it. There are many coils on it. We connect the two primary coils in series as the center tap. This is an N-type transistor. Connect his collector to one end of the coil. A 1000 ohm resistor. Connect the triode base to another coil. And resistor for active drive. Find some copper wire to connect and then output the coil. As an ignition pin. It's done like this. Try powering him up. Connect negative to the transistor and positive to center of coil. Can easily ignite paper. If you add a switch to the positive pole, press the ignition. Release the power outage. This is schematic diagram.